Welcome to Technia TV. I am Shalini Guliani, Assistant Professor, BAJMC Department. Today I am going to deliver a topic on the topic user generated content. What is user generated content? By definition, user generated content is a marketing strategy that encourages consumers to share their experience with the brand, which in turn shares the experience with other consumers through digital channels. The content can take many forms, including photos and videos, question and answer forums, reviews and testimonials, social media posts, and blogs. Brands who embrace user generated content provide their customer with a platform to ask and answer questions and collaborate in a way that fosters creativity and strengthens community, all while enhancing the brand's website and social channels, which increased activity. Companies that are most successful in leveraging user generating content are those that view their customer as true partner in their communication strategies. They are confident in allowing their communities to share their stories, and they believe the rewards of doing so outweigh the risk. The benefits of user generated content. User generated content, as it is most commonly referred to, it is a cost effective way to increase your company's advertising reach by using content by customers. For customers, a successful brand will create a pervasive user experience where UGC is encouraged to generate more and more users to your brand. User generated content leads to more time on site, increased traffic to your web page, and help to generate chatter about your brand. Doing this can create a huge impact on your online audience. But this movement are also opportunities to translate digital into real life discussions and word of mouth promotion that can help sustain your brand presence. In fact, user generated content driven advertising has been proven to outperform traditional modes such as TVCs and other mediums. So, how can you make the most of user generated content? Number one is create right environment for sharing. If you want your customer to post and create content about your brand, you have to provide the right condition for the content generation. The most obvious thing would be to make sure the brand is visible. But you also want to create something to talk about. From colorful campaigns to cleverly designed windows display, you can put your brand out there to encourage sharing on social media. Effective use of decals or hashtags or signage can prompt your customer to take photo or mention your brand when making that status update on social media. People want to share their experiences, but you have to give them something worth sharing. Number two is tap into visual content available. 85% of shoppers are more likely to buy a product after watching a video. Combine this with the fact it was posted by an actual customer. Your chance of enticing a new visitor or buyer will increase. Number three is find strategy opportunities to feature a guest content. Most brands these days have a trove of user generated content at their fingertip, but have not channeled this wealth of content into meaningful outlets. User generated content needs to be curated and implemented in a right place for your business, and this of course depends on what you want to do. Having a sound understanding of the value of your product delivers to customers can help you better gauge what content will be useful to you and what will eventually drive customer forward marketing. Providing a platform for user generated content on your website has measurable long lasting benefit. More content helps improve search engine indexing and search visibility around key phrases and concepts that are relevant to your brand. It also increases the time visitors spend on your website and the way they interact with your SEO efforts. On a wider scale, user generated content helps maximize your social reach and drive customer engagement. Interactive campaigns that encourage participation from the general public will help attract, retain new audience, and also convert current customer into loyal brand advocates. So why UGC, that is user generated content, is so successful? Obviously, user generated campaigns have been a constant player in the marketing world because there are so successful stories behind that and there are so successful campaigns behind that. But why are they are so successful? Why are brands turning to their audience to share their product instead of crafting of their own ads? UGC put customers front center. Customer oriented business are on the rise because companies constantly have to keep up with the changing trends of their audience. In this fast paced, digitally run world, attention spans can be snapped away with the click of a finger. If brands are not catering solely to their customers, their customer will simply find another brand that is. Online users have become increasingly savvy in knowing which companies are using slim marketing tactics and which ones are being authentic and transparent. You don't need me to tell you which one are most successful. People do not trust marketers, which brings me on to my next point. In the past 10 years, the idea of the sleazy marketer has risen to unprecedented heights. The average guy in the street is no longer impressed by the pushy sales tactics. Instead, the crave stories, they crave connections, and they crave interactions with the other humans. In reality, we have been buying into user generated content for centuries, but there are now media platforms to make it more accessible across the globe. And when you discover that whooping 92% of people are more likely to trust a recommendation from another person over branded content, it's clear to see how far their trust between people and marketers have stretched. It's authentic. In a study run by Cohn and Wolf, 63% of consumers said that they would rather buy from a company they consider to be authentic over a competitor. Authenticity is important in today's online world. Customers are no longer the passive consumer led by TV commercials or billboards. Instead, they are active choosers of their own fate and want a say in who they do and do not buy from. But how do they choose who to buy from? They opt for brands that have the same value as them, brands that they can connect with on a human level, and brands that get them. It creates community. User generated content brings audience together instead of it being an us against them situation where brands are constantly trying to win consumers over. UGC brings everyone together in one and happy big family. It's common knowledge that people like to feel a part of something. In 1986 theory penned by Macmillan and Chavius, there were four things that encourage people to feel like part of community. Number one is membership, and number two is influence, three is integration and fulfillment of needs, and four is shared emotional connection. Point 2 and 4 are of particular interest with user generated content. Influence has to work both ways. Members also have to feel like they have influence over the community, an element that UGC as user generated content puts on the table. Shared emotional connection is pushed through UGC. To Macmillan and Chavis stated that healthy communities have a story and this is what brings them together. User generated content is cost effective. It's all about the user creating content. They are unpaid to do it for a number of reasons, whether it is to share their experience, build a connection with the like-minded people, or to be within a chance of winning something. This is obviously considerable cheaper than forking out thousands or even millions of money for primetime TV commercials and Times Square billboards. The beauty of user generated content is that the user runs the show, while the marketers don't have to empty their pockets on campaigns that may or may not perform well. The ROI is high. According to Comscore, brand engagement rise by 28% when consumers are exposed to a mixture of professional marketing content and user generated content. Take Starbucks White Cup contest that took place back in 2014 as an example. Customers were encouraged to doodle all the over their white Starbucks cup and post their images as entries for a competition to find a template for a limited edition Starbucks cup. Nearly 4,000 customers submitted entries in these just 3 weeks campaign, showing that people were ready and willing to engage with the brand. So, user generated content versus traditional marketing. Consumers are considerably less passive than they used to be when it comes to advertising. They are now more active in the decisions they make, who they social listen to, and who they choose to buy from and engaged with. These days, buying traditional ads, both on external medias and online, is a competitive game. And even if you pull out the big bucks, you still might not catch the attention of your customers. Add that to the fact that consumers are actively choosing to bypass the ads. Take pay to play streaming platform like Netflix and the rise of ad blockers, and are more likely to click through to a site if they see a friend recommend it, and you have a solid argument for a user generated content over traditional marketing. So this is all about user generated content, and we compared it with the traditional marketing also. This is all for in this lecture. Hope you understand this lecture. For watching more videos, like and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.